in Ikea at last. This is the first time for me ever. So pleased that I'm going to Ikea in Sheffield. Now this, I've always wanted to go all my life, and now I'm to 28 years, I'm going in Ikea. Let's have a look, shall we? I've been to all the Scandinavian countries, but I think I've not been to Scandinavia here. And this is the first time I picked it off. So let's have a look. Wow. Hey, that's hello in Swedish. Amazing country. Looks amazing, so let's have a look. How big it is. Oh, I saw it. A bit slow on there. Got a nice bed over there. Some nice wardrobe. We've got. Wow, look at this kitchen there. Nice oak. Look at that, eh? Now that is a proper kitchen. That is what I call a kitchen. Proper wood, proper granite like. And that is a dream come true for me. Look at that, you've got your nice marble effect. But you know what? I want marble. Why not? You've got a nice proper toast thing. Oh, I'll show you it up. Got a nice oven. Pull out here. I could cook on this, you know. Hope this induction hob. I had problems with that when it went to Copenhagen, but I don't think you've seen it. Apple and Lingberry drink, I might get that. Celebrate the 28th. Amazing kitchen, but I'd have my own adjustments to it. I've got sofas here. Got a nice, looks like a nice living room. I think I've seen plenty of these. Nice desk. Computer, whatever that, looks different. Bamboo. Even I've got a bamboo laptop desk for my bed and it's brilliant. Fully recommend it. We've got furniture here. Nice door. And look at that lamp. That is a Stockholm lamp. Very nice. And very beautiful. It's got glass, I believe. And that's nice furniture. £1.40, bargain. And sofa. Looks comfy, like any other sofa. And that is a lovely coffee table. Nice, beautiful wood. Here you've got more stuff. Wow. Amazing, isn't it? First time ever. Don't wait. Got nice chairs here. The selection, you've got the shark. You've got the panda. Lovely. And you've got the stag, which is a bear. And you can get a big one, which is £27, not bad. Another nice kitchen here, nice furniture, nice lamps. How much Stockholm sofa? I suppose this is based on a Stockholm apartment. 1,339. Looks quite comfy. Take it home today. That looks a lovely table, doesn't it? So you've got more stuff. Got nice furniture here. Let's have a look. That's a nice wardrobe, isn't it? Needs to be more oak if it was me. Oh, nice. It's just like, how much? $1.99. That's where you put your storage stuff here, like garage. Here, shall we? This is more sustainable but beautiful, isn't it? You've got a nice kitchen island here with your tap. Little dining room, looks like it's like setting an apartment here. So that's how they set it, aren't they? Got a nice bedroom. And what have we got here? We've got a shower without a bath, a nice sink. Obviously they don't work, but this is just an example of what it would be like in a Swedish apartment in Scandinavia. And a nice kitchen here, and it is amazing. More posher, I'd say. That looks beautiful. Here, I just love the marble on this, the oak, and that is more mine. I think this is proper stone, isn't it? Wow, look at that, eh? Look inside. I think that might be a fridge. But it's not, it's just, look at this, eh? Amazing kitchen. And this here, it's the same colour as my car. What a coincidence, eh? Love the worktop, love the tiles, very authentic. And I just love that, you know what, more authentic and old-fashioned the kitchen is, the better. Sometimes modern's not great, but I'd say a bit of authenticity is brilliant. And that probably what you get in a Swedish house in Sweden. In a cabin. Looks brilliant, doesn't it? And you've got a fridge there. Looks amazing. This is more lower spec. Got a fridge here. Nice modern tiles though, more art deco I'd say. And here you've got a nicer kitchen, more posh, haven't you? Wow. This is what I call, this is a proper sink, that, and a proper tap. You need one of them, proper ceramic, nice, lightly painted. You've got very retro, very amazing. Wow, that's all your appliances. I don't think they're Ikea though. Got a nice chest of drawers you've got here. Kitchen here, you've got amazing, isn't it? Laminate. Oops. I do like them kind of kitchens though, like white kitchen, wooden, not too glossy and all that, with a bit of windows. I like older for better. Oh, that's nice. Oh, that is lovely. When I get my own house, I'm definitely having an IKEA kitchen, 100%. Can't beat a good old farmhouse sink. On that, looks lovely. Proper kitchen. Looks like from the 90s, doesn't it? But actually, that's nice granite, that. That just integrates really well. Amazing, isn't it? Okay, so we've got another kitchen. Wow, I love the oak worktops here, and the design of that looks amazing. That wine rack, but I don't drink wine, obviously. Nice oven. You've got a nice worktops and nice, amazing kitchen. Look at that sink! Not a bath. And look at that fireplace there, and I love the table. It's absolutely amazing. We need something like this. Looks lovely. Very nice. Nice lamps. Oh, that is nice. Very dark for me, but it needs to be lighter bedroom, doesn't it? Looks like a kid's room here. Split in half, obviously. You've got here. You've got. Oh, that is is nice. I just love the wood. Anything with wood in the kitchen just makes it look so much better, doesn't it? Look at that, eh? Proper. 14 grand. That, not bad. Might even just fit the worktops in myself, but that'll probably include labour and all that. Let's have a look, shall we? Of course. And this is nice furniture. I love the wood here. This is what I'd for. Look at that, eh? I know it's laminate, but it looks lovely, doesn't it? This is a wooden version of the Malm bed, based after Malma. Good. That's a nice colour scheme, but too pinky for me. What bed butt quilt would I have, eh? You've got a small bed there, looks more like a kid's bed. Here you've got a pine. Pine is beautiful colour. And you've got some more bed in here. Nice lighting though. Vadim him. Wow, $2.49 bargain. That's gone down a lot, hasn't it? Probably getting some new ones in. This has got more of a Swedish folk pattern here, a proper, like with the flowers and all, that looks absolutely beautiful. And I love this design here, the duvet cover. Nice proper colours in it. I know it's not Scandinavian, but it looks lovely design. You've got some nice bed in here. Tiger, wow. You've got, it's a nice little bed, isn't it, where you can put stuff under there, especially if you're a kid. You've got like someone staying over. Nice blanket. Look at them, eh? It's like a princess room, doesn't it? What have we got here? The foam mattress. £5.49. Ah, this is the bathroom bit. Quite soft, isn't it? Look at them sinks. A bath! It's a bath! Look at that, eh? A good old bath, eh? Don't put fish in it. Or walrus. It's a bath. Look at that, eh? Wow, isn't it? It's a bath! A bath! Look at how deep it is! You could get a lot of fish in there. It's a bath! And a shower, obviously. And another bath! Not on Michael Horton's though, or Tony Lucas's. It's a bath! And it even says, a bath! Oh, this is a bear section. Look at that, eh? Oh my god, look at Stog here. He's massive, isn't he? Bloody hell, and look at that polar bear. Look at all these, eh? A lion. Bloody hell. And that's like a kid's room. Nice lamp, that. Actually, that looks really nice. Wow. Very nice for a kid's bedroom. That's exactly how I should have had it when I was a kid. Love the wood on here. Might even do that. Wow. It can fit in there really well. Now that's a nice room, isn't it? For a little girl. Nice bunk bed. Actually, that's a proper playroom. I like that. It's like... Now that is lovely, isn't it? Here, it looks like you're in Hollywood. Like it's like a makeup room, dressing room and all that. Oh my god, the stogs everywhere, aren't there? So far this is the biggest shop I have ever been to, ever. And all that. Knife forks, plates and all that. And glasses. See what they've got here. I think I missed a bit earlier, obviously. This is, now that is more my design, a bit of wood and granite. Amazing, doesn't it? We've got a slate floor here. It's a chair that I would have in my home office when I get one. And that is a desk that I would have. Without the drawers. Actually, I'd have a wooden version. This looks nice, this. Actually, this is the one I would have. Right, just got something from a diner. I've got meatballs, Swedish meatballs, mash, and a Swedish gooey cake, and their own version of appetizer. Not cider from last time. Cheers. Tastes just like that cider. Now let's see what they're like, shall we? Lovely. Okay, that's mattress test. Spring mattress. Oh, not bad. And this is pocket spring, which is, I don't know, a lot comfier though. Definitely a lot comfier, pocket spring. 1, 2, 3. Oh, that's foam. Bit hard as a sleeping bag. Alright, that's the end of the video. It was a lovely day in Ikea. I've got a lot of stuff here. And don't forget to hit a like and subscribe. Thank you.